Hey, Rob Anspach here with Eheroes. And if you're an entrepreneur that wants to become the hero that you dream of becoming, then stay tuned and listen to Eheroes. That's what the podcast is all about. Now, I had a great guest lined up, but at the last minute they couldn't make it. So today we're going to talk about being sued. Yeah, as an entrepreneur, maybe that thought has never crossed your mind about being sued, having a lawsuit tossed against you. But when it happens, it can be a mind-blowing experience. And what I say that is, you know, not everybody is going to agree with your process, your systems, your agreement, your contract, whatever it is that you do. Some people still operate on a handshake deal. It's kind of sketchy, but if it works for you, great. We as entrepreneurs write these fantastic contracts out to protect ourselves, to protect our clients, to protect our employees. And there's always someone out there that, no matter how well you work, no matter how well you do your job for them, they're going to find something to hold over you. And they're going to nitpick that contract. They're going to look for holes. They're going to look for something to sue you for. And that first time that you get served, you're going to get mad. You're going to get angry. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to feel like you got stabbed in the back. But you have to remain calm. And in most cases, you have 30 days, 20 to 30 days to respond to the complaint that you're being accused of or being sued for. And you really need to look at that timeline. You really need to, if you don't have an attorney, find one. Or if you understand the law a little bit and you want to be able to tackle your own complaint, then that form needs to be filled out in the proper way. And the copy of that complaint not only has to be sent to the court that you're being sued in, but also the plaintiff. And, you're like, I don't want to send them my reasons because then they hold it against me. Well, that's the name of the game. Then it becomes a lawyers versus lawyers thing. But here's the thing about being sued is that it is a energy suck. It's like a vampire. It'll suck your emotions. It'll suck you dry. It'll make you physically and mentally unstable. And it can be a drain. You as an entrepreneur are looking to improve your business, to constantly do things that get new clients to come in, not only into your list, but, pay you a lot of money. And that moment you get sued is that moment where your brain shifts into, boy, I need to get all these new clients, into, crap, I have to defend this case. And you put all that energy into defending that case and you forget or neglect your clients. This is the very reason why you need an attorney. That attorney is going to go to bat for you. Now, some of you might say, well, I don't want to pay an attorney. I don't have the money. I'm going to try to do this myself. You can. I have won cases by myself. I have lost cases by myself. In the last 25 years as being an entrepreneur, I've been sued 6 times. And some of them were, well, I could say most of them were a giant misunderstanding. And that's basically what it comes down to. I didn't hurt anybody. They just didn't comprehend to the point where they felt comfortable in everything that I did, or they did something wrong, but didn't want to admit that they did something wrong, so they sued me anyway. And it's going to happen to you. As an entrepreneur, most entrepreneurs, by and large, will get sued at least one time in their lifetime. I know it's not something that you look forward to have happen to you, but it's probably going to happen. When? Who knows? So what I want you to understand is that even though I want you to be this awesome hero among entrepreneurs everywhere, I want you to learn how to protect yourself, to write contracts that make your clients comfortable in who you are, in what you're delivering, and the value that you're bringing to the table, but make them also aware that you're going to do everything that you can to please them, but you really are not interested in lawsuits at all. Can lawsuits be prevented? By and large, yes. Can lawsuits be settled before they go to court? Of course. Can lawsuits hurt your business? Well, if you get enough lawsuits, yeah, they can hurt your business. So getting a good attorney who understands your business is pivotal in you becoming that hero you need to be. Now, there are different types of lawyers. There's business lawyers, there's injury lawyers, there's trademark lawyers. So discovering what you need to happen now for your business going forward is probably best. You're going to need a business lawyer to draft your contracts. You're going to need a trademark lawyer to defend against your trademarks and copyrights and to protect them. You might need an injury lawyer in case someone hurts themselves due to them believing you were negligent. My whole point of sharing this with you is to inform you that accidents happen, mistakes happen. Getting a good lawyer can make the difference in how you operate your business, how you go about staying or remaining an entrepreneur. A good lawyer will keep you focused on you staying that entrepreneur. Try to do it yourself and you lose a lawsuit, your business is over, and I really would hate to see that happen to you. So, please, if you want to continue to be an entrepreneur, I've been an entrepreneur over 25 years. I want you to be an entrepreneur for a long, long time. I want you to protect yourself. I want you to protect your family. I want you to get a good lawyer. So, any questions? Feel free to comment below or comment on any of the podcasts where you find this. If you're seeing the video, comment, because I can point you in the right direction. If you need a trademark attorney, I actually interviewed Angela Langlotz for a prior Eheroes podcast. I've also interviewed a Social Security attorney and a personal injury attorney. So please check those podcasts out. And I interviewed Brian Chase out of California for a podcast, and he's just an awesome, awesome lawyer. Anyway, this is Rob Anspach. I hope you found this podcast helpful. And on the next episode, we'll have another guest come back, and we're going to talk about some awesome stuff. So, adios.